We're getting a fucking Ducati V4 today! Listen to that fucking thing fire up. That's a fucking police helicopter! Oh my god, it's so fast! Oh my god! Uh-oh. Probably fine. Oh my god, boys! We're getting a fucking Ducati today! I'm gonna be reasonable. I'm gonna be very reasonable within my reaction. We're getting a fucking Ducati V4 today! Holy shit! This is exciting! This is exciting! This is very cool! This is not an overreaction! This is a proper reaction to what the fuck is happening! If you've seen the Racing the V4 video, you are familiar with Mr. Ducati, and he currently is just letting me have his V4, but he's just out of town. He said if I wanted to rip his Ducati, I could, because he's been talking about he wants to try smaller CC bikes, and at first I was like, yeah, he can try this, like he wants to try this thing, which is insane, because this thing's a piece of shit. Let's be real. But I mean, it knows it's a piece of shit. It's my piece of shit. I love it. But compared to a fucking Ducati V4, this thing stacks up no bands. It's nothing. But he wanted to do a swap, and he would let me ride his V4. And I'm instantly about it. What an insane offer. I would never say no to that in a million years. But since he's out of town, he's like, yeah, man, you can just swing by and just like have it for the weekend or whatever. Have fun. This is fucking awesome. This is awesome. Hell yeah. So that's where I'm going now. We're going to trade this Ninja 650 for a fucking Ducati. Now, I may re-record this intro where I scream less like a 14-year-old girl. So I don't know which one's gonna get posted. But it's Friday, man. I'm done with my classes. It is baller time. It is time to have some fucking fun, dude. Hell yeah. Although I will say, I am legitimately scared. I have never been on a 1000 before. And my first 1000 is gonna be this Ducati V4, the fucking king of 1000s. This is gonna be an insane, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm gonna turn the camera off since I just have to go through traffic. But you know, I'll catch you in a minute. But you know what the fuck going on? We're getting a Ducati. Oh my god, we're getting a Ducati. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. All right, boys. You're seeing it here first. We got the fucking Ducati. Oh my god, dude, we got a Ducati. This is insane. It's happened. Ducati Panigale V4 2025. Jesus Christ. I just before I turned the camera on, I spent maybe about 5-10 minutes just trying to figure out how to turn the wheelie control as on as it possibly can. And now wheelie control is on as it possibly can, and that's very good. It does need gas, so that is what's going to happen first. But holy shit, it's insane. The seat is so high. I don't think I'm a short person. I'm maybe like 5'10", but like I'm tiptoed on this bitch. There we go. Check that out. But yeah, dude, I'm on my tiptoes. It's not uncomfortable. You can support it, but oh my god, being so forward is crazy. I don't think I could be any happier. Like, I just don't. We're on the Ducati. The only aftermarket mods the dude has on this thing are just all like it's nothing crazy. He doesn't have like performance mods. He just has like mirror delete, obviously, like a tail tidy. Nothing crazy. Oh my god, I'm both so excited and so scared. Listen to that fucking thing fire up, boys. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, so you lift that up and then it's wow. Hell yeah. Oh my god, I feel so tall. Okay. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on a fucking V4. What the hell? Wow, great timing. Hello, police officer. I'm glad I didn't leave any earlier and would have been in front of you. Oh my god. Does that have a quick shifter? Oh my god, it does! Wow, that's smooth as shit. Oh, it's a quick shifter up and down. That's so sick. Holy shit, that's so fast. Wow, it takes so little throttle to do anything. That's so awesome. Okay, I can feel the wheelie control doing what I've begged it to do, which is fantastic. Oh my god! Do you see this? I'm on it before. Holy shit! This is fucking this is insane. Oh my god, this is so fucking cool. Oh my god, this is so fucking cool. Woo! Oh my god, it's so fast! I'm not even fucking doing anything. You can feel it. Oh my god! Words will not make any sense, nor will they come through to describe how big the smile on my fucking stupid face is right now. Oh my god! Okay, so you definitely can't really see this, and it's only something you would understand if you've really rode bikes, but the seat feel, and not into like how comfy the cushion is, but like the space you have on the seat itself. I fucking love it. So this is the thing with proper sport bikes that I don't have on my Ninja, is like you have room to fucking scoot back so you don't have your nuts on the tank, because the actual seat itself on my Kawasaki is pretty small, so your nuts are on the fucking tank. They just are. That's just how it is. But I got so much room here. God, it's so hot, like outside. Oh my god. All right, so here's the deal. I got like a 40-minute ride to where I'm going. There is clearly just cars. This is a 40-minute ride through traffic. So the camera will not be on for a lot right now. I'm gonna leave it on right now for like maybe 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna shut it off and just get where I need to go. Unless somehow it opens up or something, I don't know. I gotta do some sort of insane sketchy shit in my life to make hella money and just get me some of this. Get me one of these. The heat it spits out on my leg, by the way, it is kind of crazy. It isn't bad, because like most people who are hella into bikes, you've seen hella videos on this thing when it first dropped, and you know how it shuts off like 2 cylinders to reduce it, but it's still hot. Wow. It's shock. I don't know if it's shocking, but it's shocking to me how flickable it is. This thing wants to move. Holy shit, this thing really wants to move. It wants to fucking get down and dirty. What an insanely awesome machine that the Italians have built here. Like, I know that shocks fucking nobody. Everybody knows about Ducatis, but Jesus Christ. It is entirely different being on one, especially for the first time. Especially on a fucking V4. Like my friend Scribbler, Nico, whatever the fuck, however I refer to him, his girlfriend owns a Ducati V2, and he rode it. Well, get one-upped, pussy. I'm on a V4. Get shit on, asshole. I'm kidding, I do love the guy. But get shit on, pussy, I'm on a V4. Oh my fucking god, that's so fast. This isn't even full power. This is road mode with so many things turned on. There's sport mode, there's race mode. I mean, there's so many different things you can do to fully unleash the power of this thing, of which I will not be doing. Don't get any fucking ideas. Not happening. But oh my god, it's so fast. I mean, this thing goes 200 fucking miles an hour. I just noticed there's no, like, it doesn't display the gas gauge. It just pops up when it's low. That's kind of interesting. I'm one of the, when I ride, I get like a gas anxiety almost, where I'm always like, the second I hit like half a tank, I'm like, oh, what if I run out of gas while I'm out riding? Like, I'm always like filling it up. So not having a visible gas gauge, I'm not a fan of that. All right, we're out of the traffic for now. I've had a little bit more time with the bike, and I've learned something about it. It is fast. In case y'all were wondering, I can confirm the Ducati V4, it is fast. I know. You're welcome. I've done my job. Y'all can go home. But like on a serious note, this thing is fucking fast. This thing is holy shit. Holy shit, this thing is fucking fast. Oh my god. I didn't even push it. I haven't gone out of second gear. What the fuck? But I need to go home, aka to my parents' house. That's what's happening right now. Because my dad loves bikes. He has no idea what I'm doing. So I'm fully just rocking up to the parents' house on this thing. No warning given. Just like a pure, hey, I haven't seen you in like 3 days. And I'm on a V4. So that's actually going to be fucking hilarious. Does it not look like it belongs? Actually, I have a lens filter, so you can't... Hold on. Alright, slight update. My dad, man, he's not thrilled. My mom loves it. Alright, so here's the plan. There is a little event thing happening for my school's car club that I'm going to be very late to. But the plan is to do that. But I need to hit my apartment first, get in a second GoPro battery.